guys, today we're going to go over an index function. It's very similar to the VLOOKUP functions which you guys have worked with in the past, but it allows you to look up data more dynamically. So with a VLOOKUP, you'd hit equals VLOOKUP. You'd have your lookup value, which you're going to use the color black for this example, your table array over here. And then your column index number, and because you're looking up extra large, you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. So that's your column index number would be 7. Your lookup, you want it to be an exact match. Hit enter, and you've got the number in stock. It's come down to black, over to extra large, you see that you've got 13. But say you don't want to look up extra large, you're wanting to look up extra small. Well, your numbers aren't right. So to change that, you'd have to come in here, change your formula to be row 1, 2 instead of 7. So with an index formula, you're not going to have to change it within your code. To make an index formula work, you're going to have to use another function called match. So if you hit equals match, you'll use your lookup value. So vertically, we're looking up the extra small. Our lookup array is right across the top. And then our match type, we want it to be an exact match. So you can type 0 or just click it in. And so it gives us 2. So column 1, 2. So you change it and it'll change to large. So you can use that within your VLOOKUP here so that you don't have to be changing that. You can just type in match, your lookup value, extra large, lookup array is right across the top again, and 0. And now you can change the top and the bottom and get the numbers. But index lets you do this with both horizontal and vertical lookup. So you hit equals index. So you're going to select your whole array. So your row number will be the match. So down the rows is the color, so your color will be yellow, or this cell, which has the word yellow in it. The lookup array will be the vertical, down vertically, your first vertical row in your table. You want it to be an exact match in your bracket, and then to get your column number, you'll do a match function again. Your lookup value will be small. The lookup array will be right across the top. You want it to be an exact match again. And so now you can change them, and it'll tell you how many is in stock each time. So this is just one example of how to use the index and match functions. There's a bunch of other ones, and you'll have to use an index and match for your lab. So please, if you guys have any questions, by emailing me through Canvas or my NMSU email. Thanks, and I hope this helps.